Welcome back in our channel. Today I will be showing you how to see if someone screenshotted your Snapchat story. So first you have to launch your Snapchat. Make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now at the top left corner, you will see here your profile. Tap this one and scroll down to see your Snapchat story. And here is my Snapchat, and as you can see, someone has viewed my Snapchat. Now, in order for you to know if someone has screenshot your story, you will see this arrow to the right. It's like a flashing arrow. So if you type your story and you see this icon, that means someone has screenshotted your story here in Snapchat. For example, this one right here, as you can see, this is a sample of story. And there are two viewers and one has screenshotted the story. To know who is that, you just have to tap that one. And then there you will see who has screenshotted your Instagram story. All you have to do is to tap that one. And this is what it looks like. Here, as you can see, beside the person or the viewer's name, you will see this arrow flashing or a screenshot icon or symbol. So that means this person has screenshotted your story here on Snapchat. Okay, so that's how easy it is to know or see if someone screenshotted your Snapchat story. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.